Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's episode, I'm gonna give you some pro tips on how to clean your rubber floor mats. So we're gonna go from a very dirty mat like this that's been through our crazy Canadian winters, and we're gonna end up with a very clean and brand new looking floor mat in a couple of simple steps with easy products and tools. So stay tuned, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I said, today I'll be teaching you the pro steps of how to clean a dirty floor mat like this that's been through crazy Canadian winters and get a result like this. So make it look brand new again. Very simple steps, very minimal amount of products and tools. So let's dig right into it. So guys, we have a prime example here of a dirty floor mat. By the way, this technique applies to both rubber mats and plastic mats. This one here has been through our crazy Canadian winters, so it's caked with road salt, mud, dirt, debris, dust, all sorts of crap. So by the way, I'll make sure to include the links to the products and tools used in this video. I'll leave the links in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. But essentially what we're gonna need is a pressure washer or a garden hose. Then you're gonna need a brush. So your choice, whatever style you want, bigger one, smaller one, whichever. Then you're gonna need your choice of cleaner. So what I like is to dilute super clean. This is a great super cleaner degreaser. So I dilute this 1 in 3 or 1 in 4 with water. So I create my own solution to use on these floor mats. This is a great cleaner, but of course you can use whatever you guys want. So another classic one is Meguiar's super degreaser, or Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner, whatever you guys wish. Once we're done cleaning and rinsing off, we're gonna need a microfiber towel, of course, to blot it dry and to dry it up. Or better yet, you can use a car dryer. So this pushes some hot filtered air and of course gets into all the nooks and crannies to remove the most amount of water. So this here is the Metrovac Blaster Sidekick. And as a optional finishing touch, I like to use Stoner Trim Shine. So this just gives that OEM matte look, but of course it leaves a non-greasy effect. So that's very important. You don't want things to be slippery. So this is for your safety, obviously. Step number 1, let's go ahead and rinse the mat. So we went from a dirty floor mat and you get a floor mat that looks like it's brand new again. So guys, I think the results speak for themselves. So we started with a very dirty mat that's been through Canadian winters, and we ended up with an amazing brand new looking floor mat. So I hope you enjoyed the steps. Again, I remind you that all the products and tools that I used, I'll include the links in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. If you like my videos, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Also, take a second and click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos, and you'll continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. In the meantime, guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.